Good morning, guys. Welcome back on Wolf on Street. I am Shomik, and right now, today I am at College Street, aka the Boipara. College Street is the largest second-hand book market in the world, and that's not the only thing it's famous for. There are many fine institutions in College Street which have started in 1800s, and right now they are one of the leading institutions in the country. And there is one more thing that is famous in College Street, that is the old outing places that are still present in College Street, like Dil Khush Cabin, Friends Cabin, Indian Coffee House. But that's not all. Today I am going to take you one of the oldest outing place in Kolkata and the oldest juice bar in Kolkata, the Paramount Sharbat. Paramount is located right in the central of College Street. See, here is the Indian Coffee House, and you have to walk down this lane to reach Paramount. The streets are filled with books, and it's a Saturday, so still people are like buying all books, filled with students and teachers. This place is always crowded. See, you can spot everything. There is a saying that in College Street you can find every book of every language, be it ancient Greek or hieroglyphics from Egypt. Everything is found in College Street. This is the old Indian Sanskrit College, one of the finest Sanskrit college in the country. Streets are pretty crowded right now. At the middle of the day, after 2 days of rain, this market has opened finally, and people are just overcrowding the place. This place is also famous for its cheap stationery, like you can buy copies and pen and pencil at very low prices. That is one of the main attraction of College Street. And we have finally reached Paramount, right in the center of College Street in the Boipara. This shop is serving tasty and affordable sharbat for hundreds of years. So guys, we are finally in Paramount, and just have a look. It is your menu card. You can buy tasty drinks starting from 60 rupees, and the costliest drink over here is 150 rupees only. If you have ever been to places like Cavender's, you know that's pretty cheap over here. And the drink they provide is extremely milky and extremely tasty, filled with almonds and cashew and raisins, everything that they have like put it in the menu card. I have ordered passion fruit, so let's see how it is. I hope you guys have enjoyed the B-rolls. And here is a list of famous people that have visited this place. It includes Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Saurav Ganguly, Amartya Sen, and many more. famous Bengali personalities who have visited this place, this tiny little place. The only thing is non-existent over here is privacy. You have to share your table with other people. Everything else is fine over here. Here is a list of the names in Bengali. They have been awarded many prizes. Let's check it out. Since 1918 they are providing services. And here is my today's drink. The service is pretty fast over here. This is passion fruit filled with raisins, cashew and almond, and the dark chocolate is. So let's try it. Drink is awesome. It's filled with rabri and almond and cashew. Just have a look. Till the bottom of your drink, it's filled with cashew and rabri. With every sip, you can like taste it. It's a must try if you are coming here. All the drinks are like this over here. Unique touch and filled with all the ingredients they promise. See, it's filled with ice and rabri. So guys, that's the end of today's vlog. If you have liked this vlog, then please subscribe my channel. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of this month. I need your support obviously. And if you have liked the cinematics I upload, then don't forget to comment and share my video. I'm trying to improve every day. Please give feedback in the comment section. It will be very helpful if I can get quality feedback from you guys. Please, I will add the link of this place right in the description box so that you guys can also visit this place. Till then, see you in the next vlog. Peace.